Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use mask in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now open CapCut on your PC. First of all, import the main video on the track. After that, import the secondary video or image on the track. Put the secondary video over the top of main video like this. Now click on the image or video and go over here on mask. Click on add mask. As you can see, there are different type of masks: split, film strip, circle, rectangle, stars, heart, brush pen. I'm going with circle. You can stretch the mask by using your mouse like this. And that's it. As you can see, that's how you can add mask in CapCut PC. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.